Hello everybody, welcome to OTS. This is high temperature furnace. Now let's talk about how to installation. First step, we have to connect the power, right? There are three lines. The first one, this line is for the power, power line, and this small one is connector sensor with the control box, and this one is control the box. Okay. After installation, now let's to set the temperature, right? And now we have set to the, you can see 1000 degrees, right? Now the furnace have already reached 835 degrees, right? It's so high, right? And now let's talk how to set the temperature at this one, right? And back. Now let's set, for example, set line 100. Okay, after set it and back to the menu. That's all. So easy. And this one is this meter is for the voltage meter. The voltage now is 380. This one is for the current meter, right? Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. This is high temperature furnace. We just tested 1000 degrees. It's very hot.